We got the window out without incident. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, working on this travel trailer here. Brand new unit here, and the customer says the window just pours water in. So I can't see anything from the outside since it's a frameless window. It's got the foam rubber gasket between the frame and the camper. I don't see anything obvious, but that glass is much larger than the frame. So we're gonna pull that window out. Hopefully we don't break it. And I'm gonna get the customer to help me. But we're gonna pull that window out, lay it down on the bed, and see if we can see what's up. Usually, once you get the window out, you can clearly see, you know, usually the gasket's just too small. They put it on wrong, and, you know, whatever. But yeah, let me show you what we're gonna do real quick. So this is not gonna be a step-by-step, here's how you do this. So just got to get this done. It's actually my day off. You got your clamp ring. Let me show you on this window. You got your clamp ring. It's got all the screws in it. Customer already took the valance down, which was sweet. Don't have to fool with the valance. We just got to get all them screws out. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna go up there and get all but the last screw out. Then we'll let the customer get that one while I go outside and get the window. And then we're gonna bring it in here and lay it glass down right here on his bed and work on it here. So let's do that, and then we'll be back. We got the window out without incident. We think we see what it was. The customer's out there cleaning right now. The gasket just missed the corner, which is typical on these frameless windows. There's just such a small margin of error, and they always make the hole too large for the frame, and then it's hard to get it to seal. I'll show you where we're pretty sure it was leaking. Right here in this corner, there was dirt, you know, where the gasket contacts the outside of the camper. You know, it was clean, but right here the dirt went all the way to the hole, and you can see dirt on the edge of that gasket. So that's probably where it's at. And we can, when we put our new gasket on, which is right here, we can get it a little bit closer to the edge, and you know, that should help. This is a lot wider gasket too, which don't really matter because usually the hole is a little on the large side. So yeah, we're just gonna take a scraper. Like I said, we're not going. This is not a step-by-step DIY video. We're gonna take a scraper. Get the. Oh, you know what? That's not a self-adhesive gasket. That goes in a track. Huh. Well, it's going to have a self-adhesive gasket when it goes back. I sure don't have that gasket. Yeah. That's got that, that's it, got that T-shaped thing. Well, it's going to have this gasket when it goes back. So well, heck, we don't even have to scrape. Put this back in the tool bag. There. Let's get this old gasket off here, and we will clean this frame up good with a lot of dirt. Clean this frame up real good with some rubbing alcohol, and put our self-adhesive gasket on. Stick her back in the window. Stick her back in the window. Stick it back in the hole. Put the window in the hole. It's Friday. I'm not even supposed to be working today. It's my day off. So y'all ease up. I thought it was funny when the customer called. He told me though. I think he said it was his trailer, his window on his trailer, and he's called it a windshield. I'm like, wait a minute now, is this a travel trailer or is this a motorhome? He said, no, it's a travel trailer. I said, well, so it's a front window. He's like, well, everybody calls it a windshield. So he's been in contact with his dealer, because like I said, he just bought this. He's been in contact with his dealer. He's been in contact with, I think it's the Forest River, and everybody calls it a windshield, which I think's odd. It's a front window. Windshield is you're sitting behind it driving and you don't want the wind hitting you in the face. It's a windshield. So I don't know. I just thought that was weird. But he said everybody calls it a windshield. And even the covers, you know, they make these covers now for the front windows. He said they even call them a windshield cover. And I think it's hilarious that those covers you see advertised on Facebook for the front of your camper, they're magnetic. There is nothing in the front of a camper that a magnet's going to stick to. It's either glass, aluminum, or wood. Magnets don't stick to any of those, so watch what you buy. Don't buy stuff off Facebook. I think 9 times out of 10 it's a ripoff. But got that cleaned up with my clean rag and rubbing alcohol. While I've been talking to you for a minute, we've just been letting that dry. Gonna just stick the new gasket on, get it out to the edge of the window as close as I possibly can. This is just self-adhesive seal. Just peel the back off, stick it. So let's do that, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty. Well, we got it reinstalled, and hopefully it's better centered in the hole, and it won't leak like a sieve no more. Time will tell. We could spray some water on it, but we ain't gonna do that. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. He'll know tomorrow. So that's it. Like I say, not a step-by-step DIY video at all, but there is I mean, I really showed you how to do it. I just didn't show you me doing it. So there's removing your frameless window, frameless, air quotes, because it's got a frame. You just can't see it from the outside because the glass is bigger than the frame. I don't know, silly. But anyhow, don't you be silly. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. I'm not gonna go fix another one today because it's my day off. Y'all have a great day.